Hey guys, it's Courtney from the Pulp of Wood here. I just wanted to come on here and make a video for you guys. I get a lot of questions in my Etsy shop because I sell these bead rollers and loose beads, paper beads. But I get a lot of questions asking how you use the bead rollers exactly. So I just thought I would make a video today showing you guys exactly how to use these, and please excuse my nails. I had them all nice and painted, and then I painted my kids' bedrooms this weekend. So yeah, now they're trashed. Anyways, so I apologize for that. But I just wanted to do a video to show you guys exactly how to use these bead rollers. So if you're gonna notice, the end of the bead rollers are slotted. See the slotted end? That is so that you can slide in the paper and it kind of holds the paper whenever you're rolling it. Now you can use toothpicks, you can use barbecue skewers, you can use straws, pencils, anything will make paper beads. But these just make it a little bit easier if if you're getting a little serious about making paper beads, if you're making them quite often for jewelry or scrapbooking or whatever you're making them for. This just makes it a little bit easier. So anyways, this is what you're gonna do. You are going to, and I'm sorry guys, I don't have a camera, so I'm just using my cell phone for video, so it probably looks awful quality. But here is this side of it. You're just going to take your paper and you're going to slide it into the side. Now, if you leave your paper up this much or even this much, it's going to have this in the middle of the bead hole. That's completely fine if it's easier for you to roll like that. But whenever you get the bead made, after you get the bead made, you're just going to take a toothpick or something like that and just kind of waller out that paper in the middle. I like to get it down as close to that as possible so that it's even, kind of even with the edges of the bead roller, the slots. So then I kind of hold it with my finger and I just roll. And that's all you do, guys, just to roll it up. Just keep on rolling. Then I always wait until I get about that much on the end, the paper. And a lot of people use glue sticks to for their paper beads, but I don't, because I tend to see that they pop open. Sometimes they don't stay rolled very good. So what I do is I just get white school glue, water it down, put it in a container. Works perfect. Or you can get some of that Aleene's, I think that's how you say it, Aleene's tacky glue, and just put some in a container like that and water it down. I always water mine down because it goes further. I don't water it down too much, but I water it down just enough because it goes further, and it works just fine. So I get a paintbrush and just paint the end of it. Sorry if you can hear my dogs barking in the background, guys. They're outside and they're not happy about it. So you just finish rolling right here. I am so sorry for my nails, guys. I apologize. They look awful. And then once you get it rolled up, this is what it looks like. And then you just take the bottom of it and I just pull it right off. And this is what the bead hole looks like. See, even with me making that completely even, you know how I was talking about this? Even with me making that completely even like this, you're still gonna have a little bit paper in there, and that's completely fine. All you have to do is take a toothpick or something like that and just waller it out a little bit. I don't know if I have a toothpick or not. No, I don't. But you just, you know, kind of waller that out, or not waller it out really, but just push it to the side. And then it turns out just fine. So this is what the beads look like. And the good part about these bead rollers is they are long enough to make super long beads. So these beads, these papers here that I cut, and the bead that I just made is a 1/2 inch. I usually make 1/2 inch or inch. Every once in a while I'll make 2 inch. I usually don't make any bigger than that, just because I don't know, I just don't work with them. But I like my jewelry using 1/2 inch to inch long paper beads. But with these, you can make up to 3 inch long paper beads. So that's the good part about this. Yeah, so I just wanted to get on here and show you guys exactly how to use my paper bead rollers, because I have had a few questions. You know, people just buying the paper bead rollers because they see them and they think it's really neat or something like that, and they don't quite know how to use them. So that is how you use my paper bead rollers. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, subscribe. I try to make weekly videos. This is only my second video, so who knows, maybe I might make more than weekly. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. So but yeah, if you guys like, subscribe and hit the like button on this video, because apparently the more likes you get, the better you're found on YouTube. So I would appreciate that, guys. So thanks, see you later.